I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you how to put one of these access panels in. What you see there is a false wall there, and behind that wall is the salt stack. There's a load of pipes, water meter and a few valves there. As you can see there, water meter, a couple of valves. So in an emergency, just let them get to them valves there. You can also read the meter there with that access panel there. So that's what I'm going to be doing down there. There's a valve at the back of that wall there. That's the water mains coming in. So in an emergency, they might need to turn that valve off, and I need to put the access panel somewhere around about there, I think it is. Got a couple of marks there. Let's open that up. So as you can see, it's white, but that the face of that cover there is textured, so you can paint it, and that's how it should turn out when it's painted. So what I'm going to be doing, I know that's roughly where I'm going to be for the cutout, and then what I'll do is just put a level on that. We'll get that perfect. And then I'm just going to mark off where I'm going to be cutting out. Once I've got this marked out, all I've got to do is cut it out. Make sure I get in all the corners. Yeah, okay, so that's me cut out. What I'll do first though is just gonna put a screw right in there, and there's a reason for that. Then with me saw, I'm gonna put that through. See in there is a valve, that's for the mains water coming in. Let me just check that that fits, and it does. Make sure I want to be level, which I am. And then all I'm going to do is use some grab adhesive there. I'm just using a bit of CT1. This is going to stick lovely. Just keep it away from the edge there, because it will want to push out when you're pressing it back to the wall. So I'm just going to get that all the way around. Just firm that in to the back wall. Make sure I'm level still. That's looking pretty good. Okay. Then with your paint, there you go, nice and neat, nice and quick really as well. I'll just let that dry before I open the door, just to make sure. But that's how you do an access panel in a false wall. Bit of stud work there, just to get to your valves, get to your water mains, get to your all your valves at the bottom there, or any pipe work you need to get to. That's just a quick and easy way of doing it. Yeah, so the access panels are quite easy to install. That's the mains motor coming in there, so you can turn that off there with the valve. That one there, that's the water main there, and there's a couple of valves there too. So they get their hands in there and work on them if they need to. All you got to do is level them up, use some grab adhesive, that's CT1, that's really good stuff. And to be honest, they don't look too bad when they're all painted up as well. Like I said, they're textured as well, not on the face of them, so you can't paint them. They don't look too bad.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.